in the heart of Akron, Ohio, a city once crowned the rubber capital of the world. The story of Malco began, a story rooted in automotive heritage, shaped by family and defined by generations of dedication to quality and craftsmanship. For decades, this city has been the engine of innovation and the backbone of industry. And within this vibrant community, Malco has flourished as a multi-generational, family-owned company.
So in 1952, my dad moved and my mom from California to Akron, Ohio, took a job with the company Cayman Soap. After about a year, he realized that the company had severe financial problems and decided to leave and start his own business. He actually met Al Levin. Al Levin was an automotive wagon jobber that worked out of a station wagon, selling wiper blades, tire repair, chemicals, cleaners, and additives to service stations in the greater Akron area. And after a discussion, they decided that maybe there was some opportunity there. And my dad developed a leather and plastic cleaner, our first product, a 16-ounce cone top spray can, and started to sell the product to Al, who then was distributing it throughout the area. And over time, the product line started to grow with Target, which was a tar remover from the fenders of cars, a white wall cleaner, lotion hand cleaner, tire dressings, and the brand, as far as oil and gasoline additives, continued to grow.
Malco's journey is one of legacy, a family united by purpose, building a brand that not only represents quality, but also embodies the values of hard work, trust, and pride. Through the years, Malco has been more than a name. It's been a trusted partner, a steadfast employer, and a symbol of excellence in Akron's proud automotive tradition.
My name's Tim White. I work at Malco Products. I've been here for 28 years, and you don't work anywhere for 28 years that you don't really enjoy. Probably what I've enjoyed most over the 28 years is the continuous improvement and growth I've seen, not only in the company and the products and the processes we have here, but in the people. I've seen people grow within the company as well as myself. I started off as a lab technician 28 years ago, and I've grown into where I am today as the Vice President of Operations. So that growth I've really appreciated as I've worked here. So I think the legacy of Malco is really every day folks come to work is really to focus on being our customer's best partner and striving to think, what are they thinking, how would they want this, and how can we meet that need every day.
My favorite thing is when I get to give a tour. When a customer actually comes and visits our facility for the first time, and they always show up and they're like, oh, I always thought you were a lot smaller. And when they walk in, it's like, imagine going into Willy Wonka's chocolate factory, and it's like they're so impressed. And you walk in and there's the chemist and the lab, and then there's 180,000 square feet of manufacturing space. We've got over 25 to 30 blending tanks where we, produce all of our products. And our scope is big. I mean, 3 manufacturing facilities, a warehousing facility, all across Northeast Ohio, and 250 employees that all have one goal, which is to support, Malco and grow, and then we get to share in the success together.
Now, as we look to the future, the next generation of Malco brings fresh energy and bold ideas, ensuring that our commitment to quality and craftsmanship continues to thrive.
I think about what we've invested in this, branding, and it's why are we doing it? It's because one, we're investing to make Malco a global household name in the detailing industry. 2, it's for not just our next generation of employees and family that might want to join the business, but for our distributors who want to continue to build and trust that they have someone that's got their back and they can be partnered with a detailing brand that is looking at investment and future growth that they can be a part of, and we can all grow together.
We also recognize how lucky and blessed we are to have an opportunity like this business and Malco and work together to grow it. And we're lucky and we like it and we have fun together, and we're so excited to build something together for our employees, for our families, and our industry and community.
The rebrand marks a new chapter, one that celebrates our roots while embracing innovation. Malco is more than a company. It's a promise to our customers and our community.
Beyond the classroom, beyond the production floor, and beyond the 9-to-5 work schedule, Malco has always been there to support the community and to make sure that we were pushing forward with an agenda that would move the citizenry to a place where we could provide a strong place to live, work, and play. Sometimes companies get so involved in their production and pushing product out of the door that they don't get a chance to look back at the community that's given so much to them. That was never the case with Malco products, because Malco had an opportunity to impact the lives of the people that worked for them and the folks that lived in the community where their operations served.
Honoring our past, driving the future, and building on a legacy of trust, quality, and family. Proudly rooted in Akron, Ohio.